Right, g'day guys. This morning I'm just going to be reassembling, just a quick video showing a reassembly of a Warn XD9000 gearbox. It's one of those things sometimes you might strip down and then later on forget how to reassemble because you didn't actually pay attention to how it came apart in the first time, how it actually came apart in the first place. Rightio, so just a few critical points with this when you're assembling and reassembling is to note probably one of the first things on this ring gear here, which is the clutch. You'll see a hard face gearing there, and on the other side here it's beveled, a little bit beveled, and that's just basically to allow to engage these teeth here. So critical point when putting this back together again is obviously that these beveled teeth are going to slide in there and they're going to engage nicely with these teeth, and that'll help your clutch to engage nicely as well. You can put it in the other way around, it'll just be a lot rougher trying to engage it and it'll probably fail to engage. So first step I like to do is put these in, put that ring gear in first for your clutch. From there, what we have here is the lever for the free spool. I'm going to place that in there now. I'm just going to, and that just basically holds that lever in. So you can see engaged free spool, and then again on this side free spool, which allows to spin nicely, or engaged, and when you see it engaged you'll see it drop down onto those teeth there. That allows the planetary gears to be able to roll around on that ring gear there. So I'm going to place that in the free spool position now. Okay, so I'm going to take this little gear, and this one's pretty obvious, it goes straight into that little brass socket there, in there. Okay, now these two gears, it's quite obvious, you'll see we've got the smaller or the larger ring. So the smaller ring's going to go in there. Like that, there we go, and I can feel that's engaged now on the other gear. Next is this. And the reason I've left it in free spool is so I can, if I need to, I can move it around. I don't really need to in that situation. Beautiful. Right, now this is the outer ring. This forms the outer side of the gearbox as well. But this larger ring gear here will go in line, will have to line up with, it doesn't quite, you'll see it'll have to line up so that you'll be able to see through the holes there. They're going to line up with here as well. Make sure you place that in like that. Righto. So this set of planetary gears is pretty obvious because on this side there's just the machine look here. On the other side you'll see that there is teeth there, and that'll fit into this cog eventually. So these teeth will have to line up. So once that's in, there we go. You can see that slot in there nicely. And then of course that gear will jump in there. You'll see it's a flat surface there, and then we've got another surface here with a little bit of a beveling there. Place it that side there. That'll help that guide in later on. So this is the drive shaft obviously. That'll allow it to spin. Disassembly again. Why not? Let's run through it. So the drive shaft there, this gear, noting that little beveled edge, I'll place it that way like that. I'll remove that outer ring gear this time, make it easier. This large set of planetary gears, this set here with a larger opening than this side, noting those. Okay, and then the clutch will be able to be removed once I remove this here. With that grub screw, that comes out quite easy, the lever there. And then the old clutch should slide out